everyone, welcome to Anbalaya, the specialist in coaching to Sainik School, RIMC and RMS entrance examination. FAQ, frequently asked questions in these exams. Question, a man covers a distance of 60 km at a speed of 40 km per hour and another distance of 50 km at a speed of 30 km per hour. Calculate his average speed for the whole journey. A man covers first a distance 60 km at a speed of 40 km per hour. Then again another distance of 50 km at a speed of 30 km per hour. We need to find out the average speed for the whole journey. Here we have a formula. Average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. See, there are two parts of journey. The journey is covered in two parts. Calculation of time 1. Time 1 is equal to distance 1 by speed 1. Distance 1 is 60 km by speed 1 is 40 km per hour. 0 gets cancelled, 3 by 2 hours. Calculation of time 2. Distance 2 divided by speed 2. 50 distance 2 divided by 50 km divided by 30 km per hour. 0 gets cancelled, 5 by 3 hours. So the total distance is, first part of the journey is covered in, first part of the journey the distance is 60 km and the second part of the journey distance is 50 km. The total distance is 110 km. Total time 1 is 3 by 2 hours, time 2 is 5 by 3 hours. The total time is LCM 6 divided by 2, 3 3s are 9, 6 divided by 3, 2 5s are 10, 9 plus 10, 19 by 6 hours. So thus the average speed is equal to total distance 110 divided by total time 9 by 6 hours, which is 110 division becomes multiplication and reciprocal of 19 by 6 by 19. So 110 into 660 divided by 19 equal to, when you divide you take the mixed fraction, 14 by 19 km per hour. This is the average speed of the entire journey. Now FAQ 23B, a distance of 450 km is covered in 6 1/2 hours. Total distance is given 450 km and total time given is 6 1/2 hours. If the first 2/3 of the distance is covered at a speed of 75 km per hour, at what speed the remaining distance is covered? Here the total distance is given and the total time taken to cover this distance is also given. But the journey is covered in two parts. First 2/3 of this distance is covered at a speed of 75 km per hour and the rest, the balance part, is to be covered at what speed so that you can finish the journey in 6 1/2 hours. D1, distance 1. See, the total distance is divided into two parts. So the first part is D1 is equal to 2/3 of the total distance. 2 by 3 of total distance 450, which is 3 goes in 450, 150 times 150 into 2, 300 km. Speed 1, 75 km per hour, which is given in the question. So time 1 is equal to distance 1 divided by speed 1, which is 300 divided by 75, 4 hours. So to cover 300 km at a speed of 75 km per hour, it took him 4 hours. Okay. Now, the balance distance left, distance 2 is equal to total distance 450 minus 300, 150 km distance is left. Now time 2, total time he has to finish the journey 6 1/2 hours minus the first part, to finish the first part of the journey he took 4 hours. So 6.5 minus 4 is equal to 2.5 hours. So therefore speed 2 is equal to distance 2 divided by time 2, 150 divided by 2, 1/2. 150 divided by improper fraction, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So 150 division becomes into and reciprocal of 5 by 2, 2 by 5. 5 goes in 150, 30 times, 32s are 60 km per hour. So he has to cover the balance distance at a speed of 60 km per hour. Thanks for watching.